Welcome children, continuity of the lesson, the Browning version by Terence Rattigan. Children, in my last class I told you that Taplow was being advised by Mr. Frank to cut Mr. Crocker Harris. Cut means to escape from a place without permission, just like the word bunk which you use nowadays. Frank wanted him to leave that place without the permission of his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris, and he wanted him to play golf before his lockup for his extra work. Taplow really shocked. Taplow is very much shocked at this advice given by Mr. Frank. Oh no, I couldn't cut. He clearly told Mr. Frank that he couldn't cut. It was difficult for him to cut Mr. Crocker Harris. Cut the croc. Here he was going to use the nickname of his teacher, Croc, but he corrected himself and then he used the complete name of his teacher. And what did he say? Mr. Crocker Harris. He wanted to say that it was impossible to cut Mr. Crocker Harris. I shouldn't think it has ever been done in the whole time he has been here. Taplow thinks that that type of work has never been done. As long as he has been there, that type of work has never been done by any student. God knows what would happen if I did. He had no idea what would happen if he cut Mr. Crocker Harris. If he ran away from that place without the permission of his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris, what would happen? He had no idea. He would probably follow me home or something. He guessed that Mr. Crocker Harris might go to his house or do something else if he dared to cut him. Frank, I must admit I envy him the effect he seems to have on boys in the form. Here the teacher frankly admits the effect which Mr. Crocker Harris seems to have on all the boys of the class. Form means class. You all seem scared to death of him. Mr. Frank thought that all the boys were very much afraid of that teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris. They were scared to death of him. The word him here means Mr. Crocker Harris. What does he do? Beat you all or something? He wanted to know whether that teacher liked beating them or he did something else to have this type of effect on them. Taplow, good Lord, he is not a sadist. Taplow here uses a strange word, new word, sadist. He says, good Lord. He contradicts Frank. He says that Mr. Crocker Harris does not beat the students. He is not a sadist like one or two of the others. According to him, there are some teachers in that school who are sadists. Frank, I beg your pardon? Frank wants him to explain the meaning of the word sadist. He wanted to know about those teachers who, according to Taplow, were sadists. Taplow, a sadist, sir, is someone who gets pleasure out of giving pain. Here Taplow is explaining the meaning of the word sadist. Sadist is a person who gets pleasure out of giving pain. Children, you must have seen sometimes some children throw stones at the dogs and cats. Those dogs and cats are not harming anyone, do not harm anyone, but some children enjoy throwing stones at them, creating pain for them. So this is an example of sadism. There are some persons in this society, many persons you can say, they are sadists by nature. They enjoy the pain felt by other people. Sometimes they create pain for some people and they enjoy that pain. They like to create pain for others and enjoy that pain. They like to create pain for other people and enjoy that pain. So a sadist is a person who gets pleasure out of giving pain. Frank, indeed. Frank is surprised. But I think you went on to say that some other masters. But now Mr. Frank wants to know those teachers of that school who, according to Tableau, were sadists. Tableau, well, of course they are, sir. Tableau admits that there are some teachers who are sadists by nature. I won't mention names. He wants to avoid, he does not want to mention the names of those teachers. But you know them as well as I do. But he is confident that just as he knows the names of those teachers, Mr. Frank also knows the names of those teachers who are sadists. Of course, I know most masters think we boys don't understand a thing. Tableau thinks that there are many teachers who think that the students do not understand anything. But sir, you are different. But see how Tableau has started praising Mr. Frank. He is saying many things against a teacher in front of a teacher. He is saying many things against Mr. Crocker Harris in front of Mr. Frank. Now he wants to get his support. Whose support? Mr. Frank's support. Why? The reason has been given here. Sir, you are different, you are young. He thinks that Mr. Frank is different from other teachers. He is a young teacher, well, comparatively anybody. If comparison is used, what is the conclusion? If comparison is used, Frank seems to be younger than other teachers. Mr. Crocker Harris is a middle-aged teacher and you are a science. Besides, he is a teacher who teaches science. Who? Mr. Frank. So he is intentionally using sweet words to get his favor. He is using the art of flattery to get his favor, to get his support. You must know what sadism is. He tells him that he must know what the meaning of the sadism is. Frank, who has been listening to his words carefully, who has been observing him carefully, remarks, "Good Lord, what are our schools coming to? Oh Lord, what are our schools coming to? What is happening in our schools nowadays?" He remarks like this. Who? Frank. Thank you, children.